Hey there, it's Steve from SeriousKeto.com, and in this video we are going to make a keto-friendly barbecue rub. But before we do, if you like keto cooking videos, product reviews, ingredient reviews, and lessons learned from my experience living the ketogenic lifestyle, as well as intermittent fasting, click that subscribe link right down there and click that bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. As you may have figured, if you watched my making bacon and making Canadian bacon video where I was using my smoker, I like smoking meat. Well, actually, I kind of love smoking meat. I love barbecue. Unfortunately, a lot of the products out there, barbecue rubs and sauces, are really pretty high carb. So in this video, I am going to create a barbecue rub that is keto friendly. It is based off of a rub that Jeff Phillips created out on his site, smokingmeat.com, which if you like barbecue, I encourage you to check out. Now, this rub is fairly simple in terms of ingredients, but the methodology is critical. You really need to mix your dry ingredients one at a time and make sure that each one is fully incorporated before you add the next one. I know from experience that if you just throw everything right into your bowl and start mixing it up, it doesn't turn out nearly as well. I don't know why that is. It could be that the brown sugar, or in this case brown sugar substitute, winds up clumping and it doesn't mix in as well. So please, one ingredient at a time, follow it, you won't be disappointed. Let's get to making that rub. 1/2 cup Sucrin Gold, 1/2 cup Swerve brown sugar, 1/2 cup smoked paprika, 2½ tablespoons of coarse ground black pepper, 1½ teaspoons of ancho chili powder, 1½ tablespoons of garlic powder, 1½ tablespoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of coarse kosher salt. If you still see any chunks or lumps at this point, you may just need to get in with your fingertips to break them apart. Here's our finished product. Let's see how it tastes. If you like your rubs with a little bit of kick, this definitely has it. But I like spicy, so for me, this is fantastic. I cannot wait to put it on some ribs. If you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy keto barbecue, check out this recipe up here for my keto barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching.